Okay, so this is one of these 4-button remote controls. There should be a tiny screw, hopefully, in there somewhere. There he is. Okay, the other two are still inside. So these are the batteries you're going to require. So this is the different. This is the 4 push-button remote control. This one here. Look. You can see it usually has a little bit of blue film on that. I've took that off. Okay, so these are the batteries. These are A27 or 27A. So I'm going to take one of these off. Pop him out. And then pop him into there. You can. So this is your positive end. You see that? That's your negative end. Pop him in like that. Okay, and then we're going to pop him into here, like so. And then on goes the outer casing. And then next thing you're going to put on your rubbers, which sit like so. And then on, you can put them on, you can do it like this, or you can do it the other way around, put them onto here first, entirely up to you, but it's going to fall out. And then just pop them on there like that. Now if I press this button, hopefully this should light up. There we go. Okay, so turn him over. That single tiny screw goes in there. Yep. Don't over tighten because you'll crack it. And then 2 more at the base. That's a message. And that one as well, just maybe a bit more on that one. Make sure he's in, all in nice and tight. And then there we go, working beautifully. You can see that. And then positive and negative, which is up and down on your heat. And that's it. That's how to change the battery. Once again, the battery is a A27. I'll put a link in the description down below to Amazon. Alright, take care. Catch you in the next one. Thanks very much for watching.